Hi guys, Lewis here. Today I'm going to discuss the best alternatives to Jotform in 2025. If you haven't heard of it, Jotform is a super popular tool for building online forms. You can use it to make custom forms for things like surveys, event signups, payment collections, or customer feedback. It's known for being easy to use with its drag and drop setup, a big library of templates, and the way it connects with other apps and services. But here's the thing, it's not for everyone. Maybe you're looking for something with a more fun or engaging design, better conditional logic, or even a tool that fits your budget a little better. Or maybe you need specific features or integrations that Jotform doesn't offer. Whatever the reason, there are lots of great alternatives out there that might suit you better. In this video, I'm going to share 6 of the best Jotform alternatives. By the time we're done, you'll know which one could be the perfect fit for what you need. Let's dive right in. Before we get into the alternatives, let's talk about Jotform for a second. It's a great tool that's changed how people and businesses collect data online. Think of it like a digital assistant that helps you create and manage forms quickly and easily. With tons of templates and customizable widgets, you can make professional forms in just a few minutes. Plus, it offers payment integrations, conditional logic, and detailed analytics, making it super handy for tracking and improving your data collection process. But, like anything, Jotform isn't perfect. Some people say the free version is generous, but higher tier plans can get pretty expensive if you're handling a lot of submissions. Others feel the interface can be a bit outdated or crowded, especially if all you need is a simple and easy form builder. Because of these issues, many people are looking for alternatives, tools that might have a more modern look, better user engagement, or pricing that fits their budget. Now that we've covered what's great and not so great about Jotform, let's dive into the first alternative. First up is Typeform. It's known for its fun, conversational style that makes filling out forms way more engaging than traditional tools like Jotform. With Typeform, the experience feels more like a natural conversation, which can help keep people interested and boost completion rates. What really stands out is its clean, modern look. Building forms is super easy and actually kind of fun. Plus, Typeform shows one question at a time, so it doesn't feel overwhelming like a long list of questions might. It helps people focus, making the process smoother. Another cool feature is the advanced logic options. You can add conditional questions and logic jumps to create a personalized experience for each user. Now, the pricing might feel a bit high for some, but many users think the engaging design and higher quality responses are worth it. So, if you want a tool that turns boring surveys into something interactive and fun, Typeform is a great option to check out. Next up is Google Forms, a tool that's super easy to overlook because it's free with Google Workspace. But honestly, it's a great option if you want something simple and easy to use. It's perfect for creating forms without any hassle. And the best part? It works seamlessly with other Google apps like Sheets and Drive, so collecting and analyzing data is a breeze. If you're a teacher, run a small business, or just don't want to spend money, the fact that it's completely free is a huge bonus. The interface is super clean and straightforward, so you can whip up a form in just a few minutes without needing to figure out complicated software. That said, Google Forms does stick to the basics. It doesn't have fancy customization options or advanced features like conditional logic. So, if you just need a simple tool to gather info quickly, it's a solid choice. But if you're looking for something more engaging or visually appealing, it might feel a little too basic for your needs. Hey, quick interruption. Are you searching for the most efficient way to manage your business, life, or finances? Well, I'm excited to share a valuable resource with you all. We've developed top-notch Notion templates to streamline your business operations, enhance your personal organization, and optimize your financial management. Click the link down in the description of this video to check it out. All right, back to the video. Now let's talk about Wufoo. Another big name in the online form building world. Wufoo has been around for a while and is known for its easy to use drag and drop interface. You can quickly create forms that not only work well but also look professional. One thing people really like about Wufoo is how easily it connects with other tools. Whether you want to link your forms to email marketing platforms, payment systems, or CRMs, Wufoo makes it pretty simple to set up. Plus, it comes with detailed reporting and analytics, so you can see how your forms are doing. This is super helpful if you're trying to improve how you collect data. That said, some users feel the interface is a bit messy compared to newer tools. Also, the pricing might not be the best if you need a lot of form submissions. But overall, if you want a reliable form builder with lots of integrations and strong analytics, Wufoo is still a solid choice. Next up, let's talk about FormStack, a great option if your business needs something more advanced for collecting data. It's not just a form builder, it's a full platform that helps you manage data, automate tasks, connect with other tools, and even handle payments securely. One of the best things about FormStack is its smart features like conditional logic and workflow automation. This means you can set up forms that automatically send submissions to the right team or trigger follow-up actions based on answers. It saves time and cuts down on mistakes. Plus, FormStack takes security seriously. It offers top-level protection protection, which is perfect if you're working with sensitive data or need to follow strict rules for data protection. Now, it's not the cheapest option out there, but many businesses, especially larger ones, feel it's worth the cost because of all the features and how well it scales as you grow. So, if you need something that can handle everything from simple surveys to more complex processes while keeping your data safe, FormStack is definitely worth checking out. Next up is Jotform, a pretty powerful form builder that not everyone knows about. It's great because it offers a generous free plan and has features you'd usually find in expensive tools. People love it for its conditional logic and calculation fields, which make it perfect for more complex tasks where you need to collect specific data. It also supports multi-page forms, so you can split long surveys into smaller sections, making it easier for users to complete. Plus, it's super easy to customize. You don't need to know any coding to create professional-looking forms that suit your needs. Jotform works well with tools like Microsoft Flow and Zapier, so you can automate tasks and make sure your data ends up in the right place. And don't worry about security. It offers encryption and meets major data protection standards, so it's safe to use for sensitive info. The free plan is great for most people, but if you need to handle a lot of submissions or require advanced integrations, upgrading might be worth it. Overall, if you're looking for an affordable form builder with advanced features, Jotform is definitely worth a try. Finally, let's talk about 123 Form Builder, a super handy and easy to use form builder that works great for both beginners and experienced users. With its simple interface, you can create custom forms quickly, and it even comes with lots of pre-made templates to help you get started fast. What's really great about 123 Form Builder is how flexible it is. You can create all kinds of forms, like basic surveys, quizzes, or even more complex registration and payment forms. It's a solid, all-in-one solution for different business needs. Plus, it connects with popular tools like PayPal, MailChimp, and Google Sheets. This means your workflow runs smoothly, and your data can move seamlessly between systems. Now, while it might not have the super advanced conditional logic that some competitors offer, it makes up for it with its simplicity, affordability, and wide range of features. Overall, 123 Form Builder is a great option, especially for small to medium-sized businesses that need a reliable and customizable form builder without spending too much. Let's talk about Jotform for a second. It's a great tool that's changed how people and businesses collect data online. Think of it like a digital assistant that helps you create and manage forms quickly and easily. With tons of templates and customizable widgets, you can make professional forms in just a few minutes. Plus, it offers payment integrations, conditional logic, and detailed analytics, making it super handy for tracking and improving your data collection process. But, like anything, Jotform isn't perfect. Some people say the free version is generous, but higher tier plans can get pretty expensive if you're handling a lot of submissions. Others feel the interface can be a bit outdated or crowded, especially if all you need is a simple and easy form builder. Because of these issues, many people are looking for alternatives, tools that might have a more modern look, better user engagement, or pricing that fits their budget. So there you have it, 6 great alternatives to Jotform. Each of these platforms has its strengths, so the best one really depends on your team's needs and how you like to work. I hope this video helped you discover some solid Jotform alternatives. If you found it useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more reviews on the best tech tools out there. If you have any questions, comments, or a favourite platform I missed, feel free to share them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.